Iron sight. Wait, I think Andrew's sleeping. Yep.
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah.
I'll quietly kick him.
I'm gonna put this on the clips.
Yeah, so he's I'm gonna buy these iron sights for this. My ergonomics will go up to 50. Oh my god, he's tired. Oh man.
Get some good sleep though.